I'm looking.
I'll try this. You X1 as well?
Yeah, I just lost to Bonnie.
I just lost to Shanks.
Oh. That could be a pretty tough matchup.
Yeah, too many heavies. Every card's a 3-2-1. It is what it is.
Good luck, have fun. Up first, right?
Yep.
And I'll pass.
Bye now. Go ahead.
Draw. Eight lead. I'll pass.
Making sure Luffy's costs 2 down to activate, right?
Yeah, 2 down, but I have to be at 0.
You have to be at 0, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're good, take your time.
Go ahead.
Draw. Swing 5 to your leader.
Blocker.
Luffy ability. Pass.
Can I read it?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's just a 9K, right? Or
8K.
9K and then you draw
No,
cards?
it's 8K.
Oh, 8. Sorry.
Yeah. So I trash a life, and then if it's if I trash the life, I draw a card and boost by 2,000.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll Ice Age it. I'll touch it on the smoker.
Yeah.
Gain power.
Yeah.
Play Rebecca.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll pass.
Draw. One down, top 5.
Yep. It searches for any of the 3 brothers, right?
Yeah.
Got it. That's Egghead Luffy.
Yeah.
Is it like max?
Not technically.
Oh, not counting prize, right? But
Oh yeah. It's like high rarity. Yeah. It's pretty expensive to max it out.
yeah.
Like you need Serial Luffy and then
Oh, that's
manga Sabo.
Yeah. On the Sabos and then all those extra prize cards and whatnot.
Yeah. I'll pass.
Go for turn. Swing under KO Flumpy.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Throw. Top 5.
Got hella cards in hand, right?
Yeah, I have 10.
10. Got it.
This is part 5 here and then 6 feet.
I'll swing 6 at Brook.
I bottom deck.
I'll use the effect Pop Brook, draw 1.
Yep.
Two for Hiyori.
Yeah. Take life and then put one back, right?
Yeah. Baby Sabo effect, played it for my life. Buff my leader, draw 2, pitch 2. And then I'll swing your leader for 9, 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take that one. Right.
Leader effect, I'll pitch Shirahoshi. I'll go. Two Luffy's pass.
Go. You're at 7 or
Yeah, I'm at 7K.
7? Okay. Minus cost, gain 1K.
Yeah.
No, 9 lead.
I'll block.
10 lead.
Sure.
Oh, you.
Draw.
And can I just make sure which Luffy was that, or which one got sent to the bottom? Oh.
Six at lead.
Tashigi.
2 for Luffy.
Yep.
Effect. Both my leader. 2 Dawn leader. Leader ability. Sabo effect. I'll go 11 to lead.
Take this one.
And I'll pass.
Who's on?
Mm-hmm.
Draw one.
You have the third one.
Who's on?
Mm-hmm.
You're at 9.
Yep.
Give Flampy -1 cost, becomes 8K.
Yeah.
Swing at Garp.
Yep.
Go for it.
Drop. Swing 6 cheerleader.
can't play like things. They might not be upgrade. I think it might be
6, right?
Yep.
T1.
Effect. I'll pop one of the Kuzons, draw one.
One of the Kuzons, right?
6 at your lead.
Give you also here.
Need for Moria.
2 babies.
Yeah. Effect. I'll pop the Kuzon, draw one. Leader ability. Sabo.
I slept all day.
Draw 2 trash 2.
Mm-hmm.
11 to the.
No paper.
Then I'll pass.
Oh, where is Tashiki?
Where's Gecko Moria?
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Brand new?
Yeah.
That is wrong Tashiki.
-1 Gecko.
-1 Gecko, yes. Indeed.
Too late.
And you're a big muscly man right now, right?
Yep, I'm 9K.
9K, oh my god. Oh my god.
It's the one that you guys haven't seen. The anniversary of the bot. No. It's like the store that does
Guess I play Rebecca.
Recycle turtles. The one with the new mountain. And the CS packs.
Thinking when we return.
You're good.
Yeah, this guy. I'll play a Hina for free, just for the hell of it. Draw card?
Yeah.
He said it's sold out already. I'm wrong.
Let's have 8 for Gecko.
Oh my god.
Luffy ability. Pop Rebecca, draw 1. Leader ability.
Discard 1, get those same 2 back. Get the Sabo, yep.
Yeah, draw 2 trash 2.
Yep.
Swing 9 to lead. 11 to lead. Pass.
Burn him.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down to counter 11. Huh?
Yeah.
Minus for cost. Swing under, minus for cost.
Yep.
KO it. Or not KO, trash it.
Yeah, you're good.
And just making sure one of those guys is active, right? Or you have an active Sabo.
Yeah, yeah.
I really like it.
Sure. -1 more Gecko. Go for it.
How many cards in your hand?
7.
No, you're dead. But
10?
that's not true. You have 1, 2, 7, 8, 18.
I'll pop Kuzo and draw one.
10.
Yo, look at that.
Yeah.
9 to lead.
It's currently 9, right?
Yeah, it's 9. Yeah. Seven lead. 9.
You got it.
GG's.